All right, hello everyone. Today we're going to be flying the DJI Air 3S. What we're going to be going over today is how to hand launch and land. A lot of times I'm flying in conditions like this where there's snow, sand, things like that you don't really want to get sucked up into the motors. I've seen some videos on it, so I thought I'd make a quick little tutorial how to do this easily. So basically we've got our drone all turned on here, connected and everything. You do hold it out there away from yourself like so, and what you do is just hit this button here, the launch button, and it says take off, and you hold it till it spins up and it's going to take off just like so. And now we're flying. So that part's easy enough. Just stay clear of the propellers. To land it, you're just going to put your hand right under it and left stick down. See, it stops, and then you just keep holding left stick down. Hold it just like that until it stops. Next way to take it off is using your sticks. Push them both down and to the center like we all know, like so. That spins up the propellers. But if you just let go of it right now, it's going to fall right on the ground. Like I had a Mini 2 and it would just take off like that. You could just kind of lower your hand and it would take off. That doesn't work on the Air 3S. If you start the engines with the stick, you're going to have to use left stick up to take off. And now we're taking off. So just go do your flight. So I've seen some people say that you need to be in sport mode or the sensors would just override you and not land, but that's not the case. I just hand under it, see it raises up, you just keep holding that left stick down. Show you one more little tip too. So if it is for some reason not wanting to come down to your hand, if you just flip it over to sports mode, it turns off those sensors. So it'll just come right on down. And see how it just turns off like that? Just hold it like that till it turns off. I've been seeing people on some other videos and stuff, they grab it and like flip it upside down and stuff like that. And I don't really know why you would do that, but because it's just gonna, risk the drone trying to take off. It's fighting against you or whatever, but it'll land just right in your hand, and then you're all set. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave you at the end of this video here with some clips that I've shot with my Air 3S. It's been pretty garbage weather here in Alaska since I got it, so I haven't got to do too much flying, but I've got a couple of cool shots I'll share with you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Consider liking and subscribing.